So this is our TR4. It's been a long process, but we finally got there. It's come out superb. Really, really nice car. It's taken a while, a lot longer than we thought. There was a lot of parts that were missing, so we've had to source them. But it looks superb. Now the colour obviously is bespoke, it's not an original Triumph colour. I'll just open this bonnet, have a look in the engine bay. There we go. So everything finished off the way it should be. Really nice. The colour really does add some character to the car. It looks really, really plush. So I'll show the inside. We went for, again, a non-standard colour on the inside as well, but it really does look smart. So, biscuit interior. Now, if you notice under here, all these panels here are obviously non-standard, but we've done it anyway. And underneath, I'll show you underneath. Speakers, CD player, and the H section, again non-standard. When we got the car it was completely broken, so we peeled it right back, remade it, and obviously coloured it to tie in with the rest of the interior, and it really does look smart. So all the back is finished as well, and just the colour combination between the two, it really does look nice. Looks very nice indeed. All brand new door cards, all finished. It is just an absolute stunning car. So I'll show you the boot as well. There we go. Let's move this. Again, finished on the inside. All tailored, finished, looks very, very nice. That's actually for the little rag top when you take the hard top off. So that'll be going on at a later date, ready for the summer. So here you go from the passenger side as well. Again, all the new panels that have been made underneath, finished off. Speaker in there. Just overall, the whole car just looks really, really nice. You'll notice that the back end of the Surrey top as well. Normally it's black, but we left the blue open on this just so it ties in with everything, and it really does look smart. So the doors follow through onto the Surrey top on the inside and just looks really smart. We put the little T on the handbrake as well. So there we go. So our Triumph TR4, it's been a long process as we've said, but we got there in the end. So now, unfortunately, with all these cars, it'll be going off back home. And for some of you that know these TR4s, you'll notice as well, just a quick note, around the back screen and around the front screen there's no chrome bead, and that's unfortunate because the actual frame itself was nipped too close. We managed to get the screen in, but the chrome bead at this moment in time won't go in, so we'll get that in at a later date and just finish it off. Just shut that door. So there we go, all finished. Looking rather nice. We'll go now away, ready for the spring. Ready for the warm weather. Fantastic car to drive, 4-speed, no overdrive. Already MOT'd, ready for the road. Really, really smart car. So there we go. Triumph TR4 1969. Finished to a very, very high standard. Looking lovely.